Changes in urination frequency or color could hint at kidney issues. But did you know there are subtler signs? Swelling in your legs or a persistent metallic taste might also be signals. Recognizing these less-known signs is crucial for early detection. Are you familiar with these often overlooked indications of kidney problems? In today's video, we're going to explore kidney disease, how it affects our health, and the signs that often go unnoticed. Kidney disease means your kidneys slowly stop working like they should. These organs do important jobs, like cleaning waste from your blood and keeping the right balance of fluids in your body. They also help control blood pressure, so when they don't work well, it can cause big problems for your health. Let's find out more about it together. Sign 1. Changes in urination. When something's off with our kidneys, our body often sends signals through changes in how we pee. One of the first signs could be needing to pee more often, especially at night. Sometimes the color of our pee might change too. It could get lighter, darker, or even show a hint of pink or red, which might mean there's some blood in it. Also, if your pee looks foamy, or if you feel uneasy when you pee, it might mean there's protein in your urine. That's a big sign that the kidneys might not be doing their job well in getting rid of waste and extra fluids. It's like our body's way of telling us that something needs attention. These signs can make us worry and feel uncomfortable because it's our body's way of asking for help and care. Sign 2. Edema or swelling. When our kidneys are having a tough time, our body might start showing signs. And one of them is swelling called edema, especially in our lower body parts like the feet, ankles, and legs. It's like our body's way of saying something's not right inside. This swelling happens because our kidneys struggle to keep the right balance of fluids in our body. They can't do their job properly, so extra fluids start building up and cause this puffiness. When we have too much protein in our urine, or if we're dealing with chronic kidney issues, this swelling gets worse, making it hard to move around comfortably. It's a bit scary because it can make everyday things, like walking or even wearing shoes, quite uncomfortable. These signs are like a signal from our body, asking us to pay attention and take care of our kidneys. Seeing a doctor and getting help can make a big difference in keeping our kidneys healthy and managing this swelling. Sign 3. Difficulty breathing. When our kidneys aren't doing well, our body might show signs that feel scary, like having trouble breathing, known as dyspnea. It's like our body's way of telling us that something serious might be happening. This happens because when our kidneys struggle, extra fluids can build up in our lungs, causing something called pulmonary edema. This makes it hard for our lungs to take in enough oxygen, making us feel out of breath, especially when we're not doing anything or while doing simple tasks. And if that wasn't enough, when we have kidney problems, we might also have low levels of red blood cells, a condition called anemia, which can make breathing even tougher. It's a bit like feeling as if you're running out of breath, even when you're just sitting still. These signs can make us feel really scared and worried because it's like our body is sending an urgent message that we need help. Sign 4. Feeling of coldness. When our kidneys face trouble, our body sometimes sends subtle signals that might make us feel chilly or cold all the time, even if it's warm outside. It's like our body's way of telling us that something might not be quite right inside. These chills are easy to overlook because they don't seem like a big deal, but they're actually linked to a condition called anemia, where we don't have enough red blood cells to carry oxygen around our body properly. So, when there's not enough oxygen moving around, our body temperature can drop, and we start feeling cold more often, even if others around us feel warm. It can make us feel uncomfortable and a bit worried, because feeling chilly when it's not cold outside seems strange. These signs are our body's way of quietly asking for attention, telling us that something might need checking. Sign 5. Metallic taste. When our kidneys aren't working as they should, our body can send some strange signals, like having a constant weird metallic taste in our mouth or having an odd smell in our breath. It's like our body's way of trying to tell us that something's not quite right inside. This strange taste and smell happen because when our kidneys struggle, toxins can build up in our blood. One of these toxins, called urea, changes into ammonia in our saliva, giving us that unpleasant metallic taste and making our breath smell different. It's a bit worrying and uncomfortable because having a constant weird taste in our mouth or an odd breath smell is not normal. These signs are like a quiet call from our body, asking us to pay attention and get checked by a doctor. They can help figure out what's causing this strange taste and breath and find ways to manage our kidney problems, making us feel better and rid of these weird sensations. Sign 6. Rashes and itching. When our kidneys aren't doing well, our body might show some skin problems, like rashes or itching that just won't stop, especially at night. It's like our body trying to tell us something's not right deep inside. These skin issues happen because when our kidneys struggle, toxins start to build up in our body. These toxins and changes in minerals can make our skin irritated and itchy. It's like our body's way of saying that something's going on inside, and it's affecting our skin on the outside. It can be really bothersome and frustrating to deal with constant itching or rashes, especially when they disturb our sleep at night. These signs are our body's signals, asking us to take care and pay attention. Seeing a doctor can help figure out what's causing these skin problems and help us manage our kidney issues, making our skin feel better and less irritated. Sign 7. Headaches. When our kidneys aren't working properly, our body might send signals that make our head hurt a lot and make it hard to concentrate. It's like our body trying to tell us that something's not right, and it's affecting how our brain works. These headaches happen because when our kidneys struggle, harmful substances start to pile up in our body. These substances can affect how our brain functions and cause those painful headaches. Along with that, kidney problems can also cause our blood pressure to rise, and this high blood pressure can make our head hurt even more and make it tough to focus or think clearly. It's really tough dealing with headaches that keep coming back and feeling like our mind isn't as sharp as it used to be. These signs are our body's way of saying it needs help. Seeing a doctor is really important because they can figure out what's causing these headaches and difficulty concentrating. They can help us manage our kidney issues and find ways to make the headaches go away, helping us think better and feel less pain. Sign 8. Decreased appetite and weight loss. When our kidneys aren't doing well, some people might notice that they're not as hungry as usual and they start losing weight without trying. It's like our body's way of showing us that something's not quite right inside. These changes happen because when our kidneys have trouble, harmful substances build up in our body. These substances can mess with our hormones and make our body start breaking down instead of building up. That can make us lose interest in food and even lose weight, even if we're not trying to. It can feel really tough because losing appetite and weight for no reason can make us feel weak and not as healthy as before. These signs might seem unrelated, but they're our body's way of telling us that it needs some help. Seeing a doctor is important because they can find out what's causing these changes and help us manage our kidney problems, making us feel better and more energetic. Recognizing and understanding these signs are crucial in caring for kidney health. Stay tuned for more informative content. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for further insights. Thank you for watching and supporting our efforts towards healthier living. Wishing you safety, prosperity, and happiness always.